Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Ever dreamed of creating your own Victorian dress at home? You're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step to craft a stunning Victorian era dress that will make you feel like you've stepped right out of history. First things first, let's talk fabric. Choose a high quality cotton or silk to give that authentic Victorian feel. Opt for colors like deep burgundy, rich emerald, or classic navy. Remember, Victorian fashion was all about elegance and opulence. Next, you'll need a Victorian dress pattern. You can find these in specialty sewing stores or online. Make sure to take accurate measurements of your bust, waist, and hips to ensure a perfect fit. Trust me, this will save you a lot of headaches later. Now, onto the fun part, cutting and sewing. Carefully cut out your fabric pieces following the pattern. Use sharp scissors and take your time. There's no rush in creating something beautiful. Once you have your pieces, start sewing them together. A sewing machine is your best friend here, but you can also sew by hand if you prefer a more authentic touch. Don't forget the details that make Victorian dresses so special. Add lace trims, decorative buttons, and don't skimp on the ruffles. These little touches will elevate your dress from simple to spectacular. One of the most iconic elements of a Victorian dress is the corset. You can buy a pre-made one, or if you're feeling adventurous, make your own. The corset will give you that classic hourglass figure and complete the authentic look. Finally, accessorize, think lace gloves, a delicate parasol, and a charming bonnet. These accessories will transport you straight back to the 19th century. And there you have it, your very own Victorian dress, made by you in the comfort of your home. Wear it to a themed event, a photo shoot, or even just to feel like a Victorian queen for a day. Thanks for joining me on this historical fashion journey. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY fashion tips and tutorials. Happy sewing and stay fabulous.